How to deliver your first order, step-by-step beginner guide. HungryPanda. Hello everyone, if you are new to delivery work and don't know how to complete your first order, this video will guide you step by step. In this video, you will learn how to accept your first order, go to the restaurant, pick up the food, and deliver it to the customer in a simple and easy way. Make sure to watch until the end. Now, let's get started. First, make sure you are ready to go online. Before you start working, check a few important things. Make sure your internet connection is active. Turn on your location. Check that your phone battery is fully charged. Now go online. After a short time, you will receive your first order. On the screen, you will see payment amount, distance, restaurant name. Take a few seconds to check the details carefully. If everything looks good, tap on Accept Order. Be quick, because other drivers can take the order. After accepting the order, tap on Start Route. Follow the map to the restaurant. Try to arrive on time and always move safely. Arriving on time helps you get better ratings and more orders. Now we have arrived at the restaurant. Tap on I have arrived. You can find the order number at the top left of the screen. When you tap there, the order number will be shown clearly. Go inside and tell the staff the order number. Sometimes the order is not ready yet. In that case, wait patiently and be polite. Now tap on Collected. Before leaving, always check. The order is correct. The package is sealed properly. There is no damage. Now tap on Start Delivery. Follow the map to the customer location. Make sure you take the correct route and avoid delays. When you arrive, check the address carefully. Contact the customer. Wait for the customer. Give the order and take 4-digit code from them, then tap on Delivered. Now, to help you understand better, let's complete one more order together. First, accept the order after checking the payment and distance. Then, start the route to the restaurant. Arrive and tap I have arrived. Pick up the order and tap Collected. Now start delivery. Follow the map to the customer. Finally, deliver the order and tap Delivered. As you can see, the process becomes very easy once you do it a few times. Before you start working, remember, always check distance before accepting. Make sure the order is correct. Don't forget to tap Collected. Deliver to the correct address. Keep your phone charged. Avoiding these mistakes will help you earn more and work better. If you want to learn how to use delivery apps like Just Eat, Uber Eats, and Deliveroo step by step, make sure to follow our channel so you stay updated and don't miss any important videos. Thank you for watching.